Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to practice for the TOEFL test. First, understand the exam's 4 sections: reading, listening, speaking, and writing. Each section is scored from 0 to 30 points, totaling 120 points. The entire test takes approximately 2 hours. Familiarize yourself with question types and time limits. Setting a realistic target score and creating a consistent study schedule are crucial for effective preparation. Utilize official TOEFL materials for accurate practice. For the reading section, practice with 2 academic passages, each around 700 words long, answering 10 questions per passage within 35 minutes. Expand your vocabulary by learning new words in context. For listening, regularly engage with 2 conversations and 3 academic lectures, each lasting 3 to 5 minutes. This section takes about 36 minutes. Practice taking concise notes to boost comprehension, as audio is played only once. To excel in speaking, practice responding to 4 tasks within 45 to 60 seconds, after 15 to 30 seconds of preparation. This 16-minute section requires recording responses to evaluate pronunciation and fluency. For writing, practice 2 tasks. The integrated task needs 150 to 225 words in 20 minutes. The academic discussion task requires 100 words in 10 minutes. Focus on clear structure and strong arguments. Take several full-length practice tests under timed conditions to simulate the actual exam, which lasts about 2 hours. Review your answers thoroughly to understand mistakes and identify areas for improvement. Effective time management is key during each section. On test day, ensure you are well-rested and arrive early. Stay calm and focused, trusting in your preparation. Remember, consistent practice leads to confidence and success in achieving your target score.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.